Здравствуйте! Today we learn how to respond to how are you, как дела in Russian. Option number 1, when everything's good, хорошо. Как дела? Хорошо. Please don't let those O's confuse you because in Russian we have the vowel reduction. So when O is not stressed, it sounds like A. Хорошо. Only last O sounds like actual O. The rest sound like A. Хорошо. Хорошо. Как дела? Хорошо. Option number 2. Нормально. Нормально. A little bit confusing for English speakers because it doesn't mean normal. In Russian, the word нормально means so-so, semi-good, not bad. Нормально. Нормально. Again, don't let those O's confuse you. Нормально. Нормально. Как дела? Нормально. And option number 3, when everything's terrible. Плохо. Плохо. Again, look at the O that is stressed and at the second O, which turns to A. Плохо. Плохо. Как дела? Плохо. Great, that's it for today. Tomorrow we're going to learn how to ask back when somebody asks you, how are you? That's important. So please press like under this video, follow my channel, and learn Russian with me. Пока-пока!